Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Invest Today. In today's video, we're going to talk about Jeremy from financial education. Since his market has dipped badly, everything is down. The S&P is down, the Dow is down, the tech stocks are down. People have been just shitting on his whole positions, all his stocks that he owned. I watch Strongman. Strongman is a funny channel. It's a good channel to watch. And maybe I'm just like in that zone of like everyone coming at him. But we have to really understand Jeremy's picks and how he made his money, because if you understand those two things, you will be okay with just like, okay, this is how Jeremy runs his channel. His channel is entertaining. I watch all of his content. I feel like it's good to just like kind of have in the background. I'm not a huge fan of everything he says, but I understand what his picks are entailing. So we're going to get into it in this video because there's a lot to talk about. First things first, a lot of companies that he owns right now are down 70% and higher. We got Oatly, we got TTCF, like there's a lot of companies that he owns, like Smile Direct Club. We got bankruptcy from Voyager, and this FTX scandal that happened and kind of rubs everyone the wrong way. So that's why everyone's coming at Jeremy at this moment. There's a lot of companies that are down a lot, and he was investing heavily into them. We can kind of see why this is happening and kind of understand it. But the first things first, you got to understand about Jeremy from financial education is he didn't make majority of his money in the stock market, guys. That's not how he makes his money. He made his money from YouTube, him selling courses. So you can't expect him to have all these amazing stock picks and be a stock market genius when he never had to do that to make his money. He made his money through YouTube. Majority of his money is all YouTube money and selling courses. So you got to get that out of your head that he never had to be a genius in the stock market to make money, to get all these houses, to get all these Teslas. Like that's not how he did it. So you can't expect him to pick all these amazing companies and you to be right and you to follow him perfectly, because that's not what he does. So if you look at it through that aspect, you gotta look at it like it's just entertainment. That entertainment viewpoint is how you have to look at Jeremy's picks at this point. Secondly, you have to understand that he buys based on stories. You gotta understand how he invests. It's all about the story. What is the stock gonna do in the story? It's not really looking at numbers. He doesn't really match valuations with the story. It's just all about story, story, story. So when you think about it in that aspect as well, you can understand why a lot of these picks are down significantly, because he wasn't really looking at the valuation and if this is a perfect price to pay. So when you're looking at it in those two aspects, you can kind of understand like, damn, this is why he's been doing so bad in the market right now. Even me, I'm down a lot on BABA. Even though the story is good and I bought it at a good valuation, my stocks are still down. BABA is still down 40%. My position, I'm still down 40% on it. So you can kind of see that even with probably buying good companies, you can be down a lot. Not saying his companies are good, but you have to understand that buying good companies or buying companies that you think have a good story isn't the end all be all. So that's one thing. The last thing I gotta say is, for all the people that bought TTCF and Oatly and Smile Direct Club and lost a ton of money, you have to understand what happened and what you did. Because even the best investors like Warren Buffett, like Charlie Munger, like all of those guys, man, we see their picks from the 13F filings, and we still don't just buy the company and follow them. We do our own research. How many people do you see buying Warren Buffett stocks just to buy Warren Buffett stocks? I don't see that a lot, to be honest. I see people looking at his stocks, looking at his picks, and doing your own due diligence, own research. That's how we're supposed to look at things when we're looking at people's stock picks. I see a lot of stock picks on the internet, on YouTube. I do my own digging and find out if this company is good, because you will get killed in the market if you just follow anyone. So stop following people into companies that you just don't know enough about. So that's what I'm going to say about this whole topic about a lot of Jeremy's companies going under. You have to understand that's not how he made his money. It's entertainment. These are story stocks that don't have a lot of financial backing, guys. So look at it through that perspective, guys. This is a quick video. Like it, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Peace.